Okay, let's take a look at number 37. 37 says find the average rate of change of a function f from x equals negative 1, x equals 1 to, let me say that again, from x1 equal to 1 to x2 equals 5, given the function 4x squared minus 6x plus 1. Okay, so you should know that the average rate of change is just a different way of saying slope. So all this question is asking you to do is plug in 1 into the function, then plug in 5 into the function. When you plug in 1, you get the f of 1, which is the y value, and when you plug in 5, you get f of 5, which is the y value. So most of you recall that the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, but you've also learned this semester that we can rewrite y as f of x, so we can rewrite it as such. These are two ways of, actually, all of this, rate of change, slope, these are all equivalent ways of writing the same thing. So let's do that. So if we're given these functions, we're just going to plug in 1, and then we're going to plug in 5, and solve. Okay, so for the first one, this is going to, you do 1 squared first because you follow PEMDAS, that's 1. 1 times 4 is 4. So f of 1 is going to equal to 4. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1. This is going to give me negative 2 plus 1, which is negative 1. So now I know f of 1 is negative 1, and f of 5 is going to be 5 squared is 25. 25 times 4 is 100. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 1. So this is 70 plus 1 is going to be 71. So now I also know that f of 5 is 71. So if you're asking me for the slope, realize that when I say f of 1 equals negative 1 and f of 5 is equal to 71, this is x and this is y, this is x and this is y. So I'm giving you two coordinates. I'm giving you 1, 1 and 5, 71. So the slope would be, we'll call this x1, y1, x2, y2. The slope is going to be 71 minus 1 over 5 minus 1. So this is 70 over 4. 74 over 4 reduces to 35 over 2. They're both divisible by 2. And that, I think, is sufficient for your answer. So the rate of change would be 35 over 2. If you want to, that's 17.5. If you want to convert it into a whole number with a decimal. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Just remember, rate of change means slope. You find the slope, there's your answer. See you in the next video.